Hello, I did a video and it didn't work, so I've already done this book. So my name's Gedi, welcome to my channel. I got this from Jadlam Racing, as I like to get offers. This is the only second Carrera car I've got. It is the BMW M1 Procar, number 155. I'm not 86, which it says there. Again, $36.99 and a £2.50 voucher, so that's that sort of half the delivery. So let's have a look, see. It does look nice. I'm in my shed, it's bloody cold today, so don't even see my breath. So a close up. Nice and shiny. Does look good. I'll try and get the camera on it better. But yeah, it is light, I tell you that. It is light. I have chips to put in this, which I will do. I've got one which I've got off eBay, which has got a chip in, so I can look at that. But it's pretty straightforward. That is a very nice looking car. Very light. We'll have to see what it goes around to. I know people say about the tyres, but hey, if it's a bit skitty around the track, it makes it a bit more fun to race around the track. I know some people don't run with magnets. I will try that, but I don't mind. Keeps me happy, that's what I say. Who doesn't like opening a new slot car? Right, you can see here I have the BMW. I saw this off Hugh's Slot Car Garage Adventures, or Hugh's Garage Adventures. I can never remember. He got it off eBay. It just comes basic, nothing else. So I have had to buy the motor. I got it off eBay from Green Hills Garage. It was it's second hand, but it's extortionate off to buy it anywhere else. If it's coming from abroad, it's like I get 3 times as much. So I'm going to try and sort that out, get that running. A little project of mine. We'll see what happens, but yeah, I'm looking forward to this. But I'm well chuffed with this. Again, off Jadlam Racing, I'm always looking around for deals because the slot cars aren't cheap. I do want to get a Revo slot because I've been watching the Slot R guy. He's very good. And they do look rather nice, but they're not cheap. Right, thanks for watching. All the best. Take care.